Hi guys, today is day 14 for getting up at 4:30 in a row. It is not that easy, but we make it. Uh, Today I want to share another reason why I get up so early. Uh, to get up early, it can set up a very good advantage for myself. It's like a mental advantage for myself. Imagine you get up so early, so you feel very well. It's like an anchor for your day. Your mental state is really good. You think, oh, okay, I'm gonna change my life for better in a way. Yeah, that's one reason. Follow me up and let's do it together.